Welcome to our in-depth review of the MCB Visa Classic credit card. If you're new to credit cards or simply curious about this specific product, stay tuned for a detailed breakdown of its features, costs, and what it's like to actually use it. First, let's start with the basics. The MCB Visa Classic credit card is a widely accepted card, perfect for individuals looking for a reliable and globally recognized credit option. It's great for daily transactions, international travel, and online purchases. With MCB, you're backed by a strong network and the assurance that your card will be accepted in millions of locations worldwide. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this card. One of the major perks is access to Visa's exclusive offers and discounts on shopping, dining, and entertainment. Another advantage is its fairly low annual fee compared to premium credit cards. You also get the convenience of making secure contactless payments, which is increasingly becoming the norm. However, no credit card is without its downsides. One of the notable disadvantages of the MCB Visa Classic is that it doesn't come with the premium perks such as travel insurance or airport lounge access that you might find with higher-tier cards. Additionally, the interest rates can be on the higher side if you carry a balance from month to month. This makes it important to pay off your card in full to avoid costly interest fees. In terms of services, the MCB Visa Classic credit card offers standard customer service support, online account management, and mobile banking. This means you can monitor your transactions, check your balance, and pay your bills from the convenience of your phone or computer. The application process is straightforward, with quick approvals for eligible applicants. The cost of this card is relatively affordable. The annual fee is minimal, and there are no hidden charges if you manage your account responsibly. However, like most credit cards, there are fees for late payments, over-limit transactions, and foreign currency conversions. So it's essential to stay within your spending limits and keep track of deadlines. In conclusion, the MCB Visa Classic credit card is a good option for those seeking a simple, no-frills credit card with global accessibility and moderate fees. Whether you're using it for everyday purchases or when traveling, it's reliable and easy to manage. But be aware of its interest rates and limited premium features. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more honest credit card reviews.